Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of included angle. Question is given as if forebearing of AB is equals to 64 degree, back bearing of BC is equals to 145 degree, then find angle ABC. Now if the forebearing of AB and back bearing of BC is given, then we have to determine the angle ABC, that is the included angle. Now we know that forebearing is always measured from the start point of the line, that is station A. So we will mark our coordinate system and that is the north, and this station is denoted by A. Now the forebearing of line AB is given as 64 degree. So it will be somewhat here. This will be equals to 64 degree. Now this survey line will end at station B, that is the station B. Now back bearing of BC is also given as 145 degree, and we know that back bearing is always measured from the end point of the line. So the end point of line BC will be C. So we have to select the station C somewhere like this. Okay, that is the station C. Now we have to mark the bearing as 145 degree, which will be somewhat here, and this bearing will be equals to 145 degree. So it will end at station B. Now we have to superimpose these two survey lines and the resulting figure will be like this. That is the station A, that is the survey line AB, and that is the station B, and here the station C will be like this, that is the station C. Now this bearing is already given, that is 145 degree, and this bearing is also given, that is 64 degree. Okay students, now if this angle is 64 degree, then what will be the value of this angle? It will be equals to 90 minus 64, so it will be equals to 26 degree. And if this angle is 26 degree, then this angle is also 26 degree. Okay, now we had the value of this angle, that is 145 degree. So if this angle is 145 degree, then what will be this angle? It will be 145 minus 90 degree. So the angle will be equals to 55 degree. Now if this angle is 55 degree, then this angle is also 55 degree. Now we have to find the angle ABC, which will be the sum of 26 degree and 55 degree. So it will be equals to 81 degree. Now we had determined the angle ABC as 81 degree. That is the complete solution of this numerical. We had find angle ABC is equals to 81 degree. Thank you very much students.